Hello!
Hello! Let us show you how to make a paper stand for Easter egg. It's also origami Easter rabbit. Take 2 square sheets. Take one of these squares and fold it in half diagonally. You need to get a compound triangle. Put your finger opposite the bottom corner and fold the right corner down. Secure the crease. Fold the left edge down. Secure the creases well. Find the horizontal diagonal of the square and make a crease on it. Do it once more time. There's nothing complicated about it. Here's what you should have. Turn to the other side. Here's what you should have. Find the horizontal diagonal and fold a crease above it somewhere in 25 millimeters. Secure the crease well. Fold the crease about 17 millimeters above the bottom corner. It will be a rabbit's muzzle. Turn over and fold the crease. Place the right corner of the square to the middle. Take the left corner and fold it to the middle. Fold. Turn it over and smooth everything. Here's what you should have. Take a pencil and draw a rabbit's nose, eyes, eyelashes and mouth. Take the black marker pen and draw a face. Take a white varnish and draw a beautiful shine in its eyes. Take another square and fold it in half. Unfold and fold. Unfold and fold the bottom corner to the center. Repeat steps with other angles. Place the square as a rhombus and fold the top corner to the center. Fold the bottom corner to the center. Here's what you should have. Fold it horizontally. Excellent! The stand for Easter egg is almost ready, just a little longer. Take the rabbit's head and connect it as shown. Fold the rabbit's hands and connect them. Okay, now you can use your paper stand for Easter egg.
And if you like the video, then subscribe our channel and click on the bell.
I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please share the video on social networks. See you in the next tutorials.